Obsessive Compulsive Personality Disorder, or OCPD, is a mental health condition characterized by a pervasive pattern of preoccupation with orderliness, perfectionism, and control, to the extent that it negatively impacts various aspects of an individual's life. It's essential to differentiate OCPD from Obsessive Compulsive Disorder, or OCD, as they are distinct disorders, although they share some similarities. People with OCPD often have extremely high standards for themselves and others. They may strive for perfection in everything they do, leading to feelings of frustration or dissatisfaction when they or others fail to meet these standards. There's an intense need for orderliness and control over their environment. This can manifest in rigid adherence to routines, schedules, and lists. Any deviation from these can cause distress. Individuals with OCPD tend to seek control over situations and people around them. They may have difficulty delegating tasks because they believe that others will not do them correctly. They often focus excessively on details and may have difficulty seeing the bigger picture. This can lead to difficulties in completing tasks efficiently or in making decisions promptly. There's a rigid adherence to rules, regulations, and moral or ethical codes. They may have difficulty adapting to changes or new situations, preferring familiar and predictable circumstances. Some individuals with OCPD may excessively save or hoard items, fearing that they might need them in the future. This behavior is driven by a need for security and control. They may be overly devoted to work or productivity, often at the expense of leisure activities or personal relationships. They may be reluctant to delegate tasks to others because they believe that others will not perform up to their standards. This can lead to feelings of resentment or frustration towards others. People with OCPD may be stubborn and unwilling to compromise, even when it's in their best interest to do so. The exact cause of OCPD is not well understood, but it's believed to be a combination of genetic, environmental, and neurobiological factors. There may be a genetic predisposition to OCPD, as it tends to run in families. Certain personality traits, such as conscientiousness and rigidity, may contribute to the development of OCPD. Early life experiences, such as being raised in an overly controlling or perfectionistic environment, may increase the risk of developing OCPD. There may be differences in brain structure or function associated with OCPD, although more research is needed in this area.